Step 1. Install the app on your phone. Download the RainPoint Home app. Register your RainPoint Home account. Step 2. Connect the gateway. In the RainPoint Home app, tap Add Device. Select HWG0 or scan the QR code. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and enter the password. Power on the gateway using the SDC cable. Press and hold the gateway button for 3 seconds until the indicator light rapidly flashes blue to enter pairing mode. Please check the checkbox and tap Next to enter the application's pairing mode. Tap Add to add the gateway and then tap Save to complete the addition. Step 3. Connect the timer to the gateway. Access your gateway control interface. Tap Add Device, select Add New Devices, then search for and choose HTV210B. Alternatively, scan the product QR code to complete adding the device. Insert 4 new AA alkaline batteries not included into the battery compartment of the timer. Press and hold the timer's button until its indicator light flashes red rapidly. Immediately afterwards, select Next in the app to start automatic device searching. Connection done. Step 4. Timer installation. Screw the timer to the garden faucet. Screw the garden hoses to the timer outlets. Step 5. Watering schedule setup. Set up watering schedules as you need, up to 6 watering schedules per zone.